They weigh over 2 tons and have skin an inch thick. They eat mostly grass and reeds. There are ponds here filled with water lilies. Where the females regularly bring their young, the males compete for access to the females. A third of all male rhinos die in fights like these. Sometimes the best move is to retreat. Elsewhere, younger rhinos are engaged in other business. Flirting. Their courtship is an elaborate game. A kind of kiss and chase. He's caught her. But when you're lacking in experience, consummating the relationship is not easy. After all the excitement, the forest also offers relaxation. A long, leisurely mud bath. As the dry season continues, small ponds like these become increasingly popular.